Hey everybody, Pat here with Farland Classic Restoration. We're going to go for a ride in the Austin Healey 3000 from 1967. We'll hop in with Bill.
See what the gas gauge is doing?
Oh yeah.
That's because this gauge has no electronic damper in it. It's showing you exactly what the gas is doing in the tank.
As it bounces around there. Okay.
This actually has synchro first gear.
Oh, nice. That's real early for that, right?
No. Almost all cars have synchro first gear by late 50s. The clutch is in real nice shape. The brakes are good. Clutch and gauge is right off the floor like it should. It hit a bump with the whole dash.
Everybody's running everywhere.
Had a term for that. Cowl shake.
Okay. I think I've heard of that.
You would read road reviews, cars in the 60s, and has minimal cowl shake. I mean, it still has it. It's just
It's minimal. Are all the gauges reading for you there?
They combined the oil pressure gauge and the water temperature together into one gauge, which was a sneaky solution because they didn't have enough room on the dashboard.